All right, fam, we're back. Today we're doing a little foodie review. We're here in downtown Waikiki. We stopped two little places we're gonna be going over. First is Thngs. Thngs is like a smoothie boba shop. So they have basically like every fruit flavor.
And coffee.
And coffee.
And tea. Tea is like a little...
It looks like Sophia saw a little more of the menu than I did. But they had like a lot of just like fresh fruit. So I got a mango smoothie and it was delicious. And you got...
I had a avocado smoothie and I like avocados, but it was really...
No.
But it's... Yeah, Jordan said I should get it.
Yeah, I heard from a coworker that it was really good. And when I tasted it, it was just kind of like plain. I don't know.
But Jordan doesn't eat avocados.
I really
so
don't like
he doesn't know what avocado tastes like. I love like avocados, and it was like it wasn't my vibe.
Okay.
Anyways.
Yeah, so that's Things.
Wouldn't recommend
Super fresh smoothies. I would recommend, if you like smoothies, go here.
Yeah.
It was $5 for this whole cup. So
packed.
yeah, all
like
the way to the top.
Packed. Yeah.
So compared to Jamba Juice, better. Second stop was at Liliha Bakery. I've had these before up at work. Someone brought these. These are the cream puffs. And we got two different flavors. We got, this is the cocoa puff, which is like chocolate on the outside, and then I forget what's on the inside. It looks like, yeah, like a cream of some sort.
Like yellow.
And then coconut, and then these are the coconut, which are the ones that I had up at work. Super delicious, super tasty. But when we went there, and we'll show a few little clips right here of the inside, it was like it's a breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So it was like a restaurant and then a bakery. So we just went through the bakery part, and they had a ton of stuff.
Packed with people.
Yeah.
But the line moved fast. So.
Yeah, it was pretty quick. So we got, this is kind of for
more
lunch
stuff.
too.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got oh, she grabbed a little.
Oh.
Or did you have some?
No.
Oh, a little cinnamon twist.
Cinnamon twist.
This is an onion roll, which it looked like cheese bread kinda. And then
this is what I wanted. This is a fruit. She said it was like a fruit crescent.
Fruit crescent, yeah.
Something like that.
Like a fruit pie kinda. And then a ham and cheese sandwich. So they had lots of good stuff. Highly recommend this bakery, especially for like the cream puffs.
Yes.
We'll have to do some more other little bakeries we've been to, because there is like a lot of good little treats around the island that I've kind of, people from work bring in the treats, and then I have them, and then we go find them with Sophia and have some more.
Try it, yeah.
So yeah, this is kind of our little review of just some good little places to eat here in down Waikiki.
And it was inexpensive.
Downtown. Yeah.
It was like all of this was like 23 bucks.
Yeah, and we already ate some cream puffs, and yeah, and then the smoothies were $5 each. So it was, yeah, good little, just, you know, fun places to eat. And if you're looking for somewhere to go, just some recommendations. So we'll find some more places, and we'll update you here you guys soon on the foodies portion of Jordan Keck's channel. Keck family.
Yes.
All right.
It's all good.
We'll catch you guys later. See ya.